Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Jay. In the last video, I showed you guys how to set up your OBS, and continuing that series, in this video, I'll show you guys how to set up your overlays or add an overlay, image, video, whatever on your stream so it looks better, not just dull. As I said, I'll be doing a lot more of these kind of videos under this series, so keep an eye out for that. Before we hop in, I would like to thank all the members of the channel and the recent donors. You guys are helping me do what I like to do, so shout out to you guys. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications because I go live every single day on YouTube. So yeah, that being said, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna be opening OBS obviously, and then it's gonna look like this. Like everything's gonna be empty. There's gonna be one scene typed as scene, and then you're gonna just rename it. Like I'm guessing if you're a streamer, you want scenes like maybe like a starting soon scene, be right back scene, just chatting scene, ending soon scene, and then a gaming scene. You know, like something you can switch between when you're, let's say, talking to the chat, or you're like starting the stream right away, or you're just like showing the games and stuff like that. So first of all, let's create this scene and just name it as just rename it. Right click on it, rename it. Let's say like starting soon, right? Starting soon. Sorry, my spelling is all messed up, but it is what it is. So in this scene, you can click plus sign right here, and then here you can add an image or like a media source, or just like a browser source and whatnot. I already have my starting soon scene made up by somebody from Twitter. You can go to youtube.com and you can just search up free starting soon templates for streams, stuff, anything like that, or you can have a still image and anything like that, right? So you go down there. I'll just select a media source because I want to select a video. You can name any video right here. I'll just name it like starting video. Press OK, and then it's gonna ask you where the video file is. You browse it, and then mine is in downloads, and I go starting soon, open, and then you want it to be looping because maybe it's like a 10-second long video which is looping again and again. So make sure it's looped. Use hardware decoding when available. Yes. Close file when inactive. You want to do that because this will kind of save you some resources when you're not on that scene. So close the file when you're when inactive, and that's pretty much it. Okay, and now you can basically resize it. Control F to fit to the screen. So this is how it looks when I'm on my starting soon scene. And then just like that, we can make like a just chatting scene. Just chatting. Okay. And then you're gonna add something, and I would recommend adding like a webcam or something here where you can just like talk to the chat where they can see you. So you can go like video capture device, webcam 1, or just webcam, fine. Okay. And it's going to give you options what you can connect. I can connect the Logitech StreamCam, but I'm using this on the other recorder right now, so I'm just going to use the US webcam utility. Just leave everything as usual. Device default is usually the best. Color range, you can go a partial or full depending what looks better to you. I'm gonna just leave it a default. Press OK, Control F. Now this is me basically just chatting to the chat, to the viewers, whoever's in the chat. So I'm just gonna be like talking to them and whatnot, and this way they can see my expression, like talk to me. This is more personal, I feel. A lot of people, just like go like maybe like a smaller and then have something in the background here. You could do that. You could click on an image and you can have some kind of a background image there if you would like that. But me personally, I like it to be like full on screen, so like it's more personal and like more I can connect more. While you're doing this, you can also add a background music to it. Like, sometimes it gets really quiet and whatnot. So you can just click add, and then you can click media source again, and you can be like background music. Okay. Same thing, loop it up again, hardware, close on inactive, browse. And then, let's say I have this cartoon sound effect and whatnot. I'll just add it. And then, okay. And here you can adjust the audio of it. You can go a little bit down just so you don't want it to be so loud. You don't want the background music to be louder than your own voice. So yeah, obviously go to background music, make sure it's a little bit low than your microphone. Now you'll need to add a mic here. So what you can do is you can add audio input capture, mic. Okay. choose the mic you want to choose. You can use your headset mic, you can use your microphone, USB microphone, you can use your Logitech or camera or DSLR if it has an audio inbuilt, depending on what you like. I use a microphone USB, so I'm gonna select that. Okay, and there you go, the mic is also turned on. I usually go down here so you're in the orange, not going to the red, because that's usually when the best sound is. Just a quick tip, you can press right click on it, you can go filters, you can add a filter, you can add a noise suppression, okay, and select RNN noise higher quality, and this will kind of like, you know, just take away the background noise and just like, you know, make the sound a lot more clear. Now I'll show you how to add a gaming capture and, you know, a webcam on it and an overlay on it. So you just go plus here, type gaming, you know, just so you know that this is the scene you have to select whenever you're gaming. So you press OK, and obviously we're just starting right now. So plus this game capture. You don't want to use display capture because that's just not going to give the right resolution of the video or the FPS of the video. So you want to go game capture, and then you can just leave game capture, leave OK, capture any full screen applications, perfect, and everything is just normal. Like you don't have to play around with this at all, and just press OK, and this is it. And every time you're playing a game, it's on full screen mode, it will show up right here. Or if you don't want to do it like that, you can properties, you can select a specific window, and then it'll give you the options of the windows which are open right now. Right now I only have Streamlabs open because I'm recording through it, and but if you have the game open, then you'll see the option there, and you can just select that and it will show that game only. No matter, maybe you have two full screen applications open, it won't show it. It won't show them. You know, it will only show the game. But I prefer capture any full screen. It's just me. You can do whichever you like. Now you'll add an overlay. So plus, my overlay is an animated overlay, so it's a media source, it's not a still image. So I go media source, and then I go webcam overlay, press OK. I'm just naming them. Loop, use however you can, close and inactive, browse. I have it somewhere here. Yep, there it is. And that's my face cam overlay, right? And you know, you can resize it, you can crop it, you can alt it, you can press alt and then just do it like this, and you can crop it if you'd like, or you can just like resize it and put wherever you'd like. Maybe you are playing Among Us and you want the webcam to be in the bottom here, you can leave it like that, and then you're gonna have to press again. Now what you can do here, instead of pressing plus and then going video capture again and then going for the webcam again, you can simply just go back to your just chatting, you can copy this webcam, you can come back to your gaming scene, and then you can just paste it here. Now, but you're gonna have to resize it to fit in the overlay. Now you're gonna wanna have your webcam behind the overlay, but above the game capture. So it's gonna be between both of these, and that will be the perfect way to have it. And obviously, you just resize it however you want to resize it. Just like that, and now you have a game capture. Now you have a face cam overlay. Now here's the thing, a lot of people don't have overlays and they are looking for overlays and whatnot. There's a couple of things you can do. First thing, you can just go on YouTube and be like free overlays, templates and stuff like that. Or you can even go on websites like Nerd or Die, Visual by Impulse. There's a lot of websites online. You simply just Google search free overlays for streams, and there's so many websites. And you can just pick an overlay, download the overlay, simple as that. If it's a video overlay, then it's going to be a media source. If it's a still image, then you're just going to have to press plus, image, let's say webcam overlay 2, press OK, browse. I don't have a still image right now, but let's say if this was the image of the overlay, it would just show up right there. That's all you have to do. And you just put it on the face cam, or put it on the face cam, but in front of the game capture too. Don't forget, you're gonna have to add your audio input in this one too. So simply just go back here, copy, gaming, paste. And now you have your mic in here too. I like to do audio separately for every single scene. So in that case, when you're in just chatting scene, you don't have to worry about the mic being on, or if you're in gaming scene, you don't have to worry about something else, So every scene, I feel, should have their own audio input capture. Now, if you want to just go have a BRB scene or something, you can have a BRB scene, press OK, simple as that, press plus I have a media source because it's like a, you know, it's like a video, brb video. Press OK. Same thing, loop, use hardware, close connect tab, browse, be right back. Okay, okay. And that's it. And so when I'm playing the game, or let's say I'm chatting with the people, and you know, I'm like, I want to go to the washroom or something, I want to get something to drink, I'll be like, okay guys, be right back. Select BRB, and that's it. Just leave it like that. You can add some background music here, just so they're not bored or anything while you're gone. And that's it, you know. And then when you're back, you just go back to gaming straight up. I don't want you guys to think that, oh, it's so hard to find overlays and whatnot. So I'm going to show you quickly on how easy it is on Google to just go and find some overlays, like free stream webcam overlays, right? Boom, there's like 50 free webcam overlays on the first website right here. So you just go down, you know, select whichever, use this template, or go to the website where it's available and just download it and just use it straight up. Like, there's so many options online, it's crazy nowadays. And once you are streaming regularly, you do want to look into getting your own customized overlays. That way you will stand out from everyone else streaming and using those free overlays. Now, these are literally just the basics on how to add overlays or capture images, videos, game capture and whatnot. I will do like a more detailed version, let's say like, you know, how to add chat on the screen, or how to you know, have a moving GIF or something, or GIF, however you pronounce it, and so on. There's always a lot more I can add to it, but I want to leave like all those tips for a separate video. But this is just a basic beginner's tutorial on how to add overlays or scenes or sources. I hope this helped. If you made it till the end of the video, I appreciate that a lot. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you haven't already, I go live every single day and play some video games. And thank you for supporting the channel anyways. See you guys later. Peace out.